Just got this in. These are 18-inch drawer slides. I'm a regular user. I have no idea what I'm doing. It came in this box here, pack of 10. And like I said, I have no idea what I'm not a mechanical person at all. But I want to see how easy it is to put this together. So my son's drawers have given, this looks like it was used. And I think I bought this new. Okay, but the packaging is open. Maybe I did buy it used. Let me, I'll confirm that below. And these are the instructions on it. You can slow this part down to get a better view. It looks like it's all one page. Okay. And you can zoom in on the videos. I like that now on YouTube where you can zoom in on the video, get a better, closer look. It's in the bottom part. And then 1. Let me give you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now I'm not reading the instructions unless I have to. Should be simple. One end goes on the actual drawer cabinet itself with inside, and the other ones go on the actual drawers. So I'm going to need scissors to cut this open. So I believe this is definitely used. It has 10 of them in here. I should say 1 for each side. My son has 5 drawers, so you need 10. 1 set on each side, which equal to 10. 5 times 2 is 10. I found the screws. They were taped to one of them here, so be careful. I happened to just cut one of them open, and this ended up coming out. So don't lose any of these small screws. I'm going to be using the original ones that came with it, which is here. Get the screwdriver. Let me get the drill bit, please. No, the other one. The one that's there, the long one. And no, the other one. No, it's not under there. Oh. Thank you. Okay, so my son's gonna help me. Let me just remove this first. Make sure you got the correct fit. You do not want to wear out the threading, strip the screw. So this is the original. As you can see, it's pretty beat up. It's been had it for a long time, so it's this is an old bureau, so the previous owners had it, seems like a long time, and one of them is going to be, let me see where it is. So I gotta find the same one. I keep making that error. That's on that side, this side. Okay, so you can see. I'll put it here, and perfect. Oh wow, perfect. It's going to fit. Can you hold it here? It's going to fit perfectly. Should go right in. Again, do not strip the screw or the wood. We got one. Let me see, do me a favor, hold that in place. Hold on. Let it go a little bit. I'm trying to find, let go. Your hand's in the way. There's the screw. Okay, so hold it right there, because I'm missing the middle screw, the middle opening. That way everything will be aligned perfectly, the original. That's done easily. Okay, son, you'll do this side. gonna take this out again. It's beat up, pretty. Wow, this is beat up. Where did I put the other beat up one? Put those to the side. And we're gonna line it with that. So let's do the middle one, since that one's the more difficult one. Okay, this one here. Okay, and then the last one. Okay, looks great, brand new. What do you think, son? It even has the same color. I mean, I know the color doesn't matter, but it's a perfect fit. Is it? A little bit different. This is the old one. This is the new one. So it's a little bit different. All right, now let's go to the bureau itself and swap those out. Hold on one moment. So this is the inside of the bureau. Take this one out first. It's gonna fit perfectly. So here. Okay. That's one. Even though some of these are pretty good, you know what? Let's just take one moment. So we're gonna put this. We're gonna line this one because this one's an original. This one's only one hole. Okay, put it right in there. Make sure it's at the hole. Do you see it? No, this side. You have to do the back first.
Doesn't look the most aligned, bro.
Well, align it so that it's aligned with the screw.
Oh, okay, it is aligned. It's okay.
Okay, and now the second one is here. We're following the original holes, which, thank goodness, this aligns perfectly with the original ones. This is the 18-inch ones. All right, let's do the, okay, you can do this side. Come help me. Ready? Just hold the camera real quick. And just, and in the back. Okay. Stop filming. Just line it here. Put the screw in there. Can you see back there? Okay. Okay, and then this one back here, up here. It's going, oh, it's going to be a tough one. Okay. Hold on one moment. So that one is going to be, has to be there to align with the other one. Okay. I'm hoping that doesn't cause an issue. Let me loosen this one up a little bit in the back. I'm loosening that one up in the back, so see if I can align this easier. So let me get this one aligned, because it's got to get in here, right? And the screw is not flush. So I'm going to have to take this one out because the front one is not aligning correctly. And I'll probably the most important one. I'm gonna have to line this one in the front here. Okay. And the reason this, I think it's got to be flush, is because the wheel for the drawer has to go in here first. I think the back, if it's at an angle, will be forgiving. Can you put the light back there? All right, it might not fit perfectly, but I have to make another hole. Which is okay. Soft wood, so it went right in. This has to be flat so that the drawer fits inside. All right, so we're putting it in. Align it, it should go right in. The other one in too. One in wrong. Okay. There it goes. It's gotta go in the tray. Okay. You got it just like that. So it's gotta be, if you look, it's gotta be underneath the slide.
Squeeze it in
He
between.
had it on top, so.
Yeah.
Okay.
Squeeze it in between them.
Perfect. How do you feel? And it doesn't come all the way out. Okay, it locks into place.
I like
It won't come, when you pull the drawer all the way forward, it won't, towards you, it won't come out. Pretty cool. All right, let's do the rest and we'll let you know how we feel about them. So we replaced the railings on all the drawers. Now let's do the bureau and cabinet. I'll fast forward this part. My son will be doing this part. All done. Let's put the drawers back. So we're all done. How do you think, son? Much better than before?
Yeah,
Can you
it's a
pull
lot
them out? Much easier pulling in and out. Are you happy?
I'm very happy.
Okay, great work. It took us, what, about an hour to do it?
Yeah.
About an hour. It was
little
more
less.
about, because in the back, the holes didn't align, so we had to make new ones. All right. All right, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye now.
Bye.